Want to know a sales superpower? Something that will drastically increase your closing rate, drastically increase the amount of leads you'll be able to close, amount of presentations you'll do, amount of money you'll make. It's super simple. You keep following up with people. You don't stop. We used to have the running joke, you keep following up until they buy or die. Now, I wouldn't do that necessarily because you'll probably be served a restraining order or get into a lawsuit because you're a stalker. So don't literally do that. But I can tell you that the follow-up game in every category of sales and marketing is weak. Rarely do I get followed up more than 2 times. If you're a busy guy, you get hundreds, maybe thousands of messages every single day. I know I do. I miss probably a decent amount of them. And I'm amazed at how few people take the time to follow up. Or even worse, if they do manage to follow up, they sort of guilt trip you into, I sent this message and you didn't even answer. That also instantly disqualifies you for anything ever. Like the whole butthurt, passive aggressive thing, it's repulsive. Because they assume that you consciously don't respond to them. It's weird. There could be a million reasons why someone didn't respond to your outreach. And if you're assuming that it's because they're an asshole, or because they're not interested, or if you're assuming anything, you're probably wrong. Follow up. Send a message. A day later, 2 days later, just wanted to make sure this doesn't get lost. Another day later, 2 days later. Hey, did you get a chance to look at this? Day later, another 2 days later. Hey, was going through my email and noticed that we hadn't been in touch yet. Let me know when you get a chance. And you keep going. And you would be amazed at how many responses you get from your 4th follow-up, 6th follow-up, 8th follow-up, 10th follow-up, from people that weren't consciously ignoring you. You just finally get through to them, and then you get the presentation, maybe you get the sale. And the follow-up doesn't take much time. It's just a courtesy reminder in case they missed it. Because like I said, I get a lot of messages. Most people don't bother to follow up, even if I would love them to follow up. Even if they could actually add value to my life, and they still don't do it. It's weird. So, follow up. Whatever your follow-up schedule is now, make it twice as long. And if you're still under 6 follow-ups, make it 3 times as long. Actually put some effort into following up prospects. You'll get way more value out of any list of prospects you put together. And you'll notice that you'll get way more conversions from any leads you generate. It's worth it. Small gesture, small effort, big returns.